sense?
Yeah.
All right. I like that goes. Caster placement makes sense. All right. And what I called everything makes sense, right?
Yep.
You got your motor, your VFD, variable frequency drive,
Mm-hmm.
backstage E-stop, local, and the booth panel. Cool. All right. Now wiring into the VFD, okay? Incoming power, 12.3, 208 single phase. That's this guy, right?
Yep.
We'll disconnect it for shipping. Green to green. All right, there's a little green mark under there.
Mhm.
Green to green, and there's black and white marks under there. Put the black into the black, the white in the white. You clamp down the screw terminal, and you got power. So, boom. Okay. This cable is the power to the motor. All right. All of this wiring will stay complete. All of this wiring will stay complete. We'll redo the wiring here. Now, this is just jerry-rigged in, okay? You would come in through the side. You would strain relief clamp it proper-like. The most important thing is there are sets of wires that are E-taped, black, white, and red.
Mm-hmm.
The red goes to the red, the white goes to the white, black goes to black. There is a ground screw in there for the green, which already has a ring terminal. There is no purple. Don't worry about purple.
I'm videoing all of this.
I know.
And you also have, there's photographs with documentation over there as well. And that's how you wire the motor. We had this in the trap,
Mm-hmm.
and we sent this one cable up and in instead of bringing everything up and in.
Mhm.
It's really up to you wherever you hide it. It's got, several feet
Yep.
to hide the vehicle.
Yeah, I think it's going to land pretty close to our trap, so.
So that's that. The other little cable that comes out
Mm-hmm.
is the remote circuit cable,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll start talking about that. So that's the VFD. Power comes in, that goes to the motor. All the things are there. The color coded. Don't worry about anything else. Okay. So these are the next two documents.
Can you email me this package of bullshit?
Yes. Well, yes. It might take some days because we lost our entire IT department.
Okay.
We got a power surge, whatever.
Okay.
All right. Wiring the local control. Let's go back over. This is your display. This basically lets you program the machine. It lets you see what's going on. Okay. You can put this in a number of places. You can put it straight into the VFD.
Mm-hmm.
You can set up local control, which is the red tape, and have it work. Or you can, when you run the cable for the booth,
Yep.
put it in the booth one, right? I normally do it with the local controls, just because it makes it easy. If you ever get an error fault, just hit reset. It normally just goes away. That particular error fault that you saw was because the display got disconnected while the thing was on. No big deal. All right. The wiring. So the control wires. The green is the common, right? So the green is basically the control cable. It goes out. It goes out. It goes through the box to the backstage E-stop, then flows to the local E-stop, and then it flows to the on switch and the control booth E-stop, and then it goes into the switch. And it returns via either the black or the white for forward or reverse. So basically it's one big continuous loop. And if that continuous loop is interrupted anywhere, it shuts the machine down, right? Pretty simple. It is wired. We're going to, obviously strain relief it. This is just ghettoed for now. Green to green, orange to orange, yellow to yellow, black to black, white to white. I've tried to make it as simple as can be. There is a wiring diagram over here on how to do it. The color codes for the wire nuts. This is the math. That's how it all goes and works.
Mm-hmm.
E-stop flows through, and so the power goes out, or the control goes out, loops all the way through, and it comes back either on white or black for forward or reverse. If it's interrupted anywhere in the system, the machine doesn't work.
Yep.
Right? So that's that. So let's stop there for a second and let me answer any questions about that.